In today's video, we are going to go over some tips on how to develop a financial plan. Things are really tough for so many of us right now, with prices steadily increasing, salary is remaining the same. It is really tough to manage. So in this video, we are going to go over some tips on how we can manage our finances monthly. So make sure you stay tuned and welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another update. Now, the first thing is creating a budget. The key to a good budget is including as much information as possible so we can adequately prepare and plan. It is important to keep accurate records of our spending so we can see where we can save money and how much we can spend monthly. The first step in creating that budget is to total our monthly income. Include only your take-home pay, that is your salary minus taxes and deductions, and other additional income if you have tips, child support, investment income, etc. The next thing is, what is our monthly expenses? We need to track those expenses. For bills that vary from month to month, we want to use a monthly average. For example, if your cell phone bill is $45 one month and $55 the next month, we want to find a middle ground around $50 a month. For annual bills, divide the yearly cost by 12 for a monthly average. Moving on, how much of your income should be spent? Rent or mortgage payment plus credit obligations should not exceed 35% to 40% of our gross monthly income before taxes and deductions. The amount we owe on credit cards, monthly car payments, student loans, and other monthly payments should not exceed 10% to 15% of our take-home pay. And the next thing is put it down on paper. Document and categorize your expenses. Total up everything you spend on a monthly basis, and don't forget those daily coffees or snacks, buying lunch. These things add up. Now we want to do the math. The last step in creating your budget is to total your expenses and subtract them from your monthly income. Now, after you total up your income and expenses, you want to see how you did for that month. Did you have any money left over at the end of the month? If your income and expenses are equal, then you might be living paycheck to paycheck and might need to cut out some expenses and develop a savings plan in case of emergencies or unexpected expenses. Now, if you're using credit to survive and paying only minimum payments each month, you may need to talk to your credit card company or solicit some financial advice on how to manage these expenses to get back on track. Now, if you have money left over at the end of the month, you are doing a good job managing your expenses. Congratulations, and we're all trying to get there. Now, here are some suggestions for that leftover cash. If you do have it, you might want to open a savings account at your bank. If you already have a savings account, it states consider setting up an automatic transfers to your savings account. Or if you have direct deposit, ask your employer to put a portion of your paycheck in your savings account automatically. That way you won't touch or spend that extra money. Or you can investigate whether your employer offers a 401k or other employee matching savings plan. The contribution you make to this type of account is taken out of your paycheck before taxes. And finally, if your total was negative and you did not have any money left over, then you need to make adjustments immediately. Keep in mind that it is usually easier to cut back on expenses than increase income. So analyze your budget to see where you can cut expenses. For example, on personal things, entertainment, that extra coffee we were talking about earlier, eating out, all of these things cost money and they add up and can cut into your monthly income. As well as try calling your utility companies, phone company, cable, cell phone, to see how you can decrease your monthly bill to save that way as well. Cutting those bills down can take just a phone call, and you never know unless you ask. Consider increasing your income also by getting a second job if you can, part-time job, or working overtime if it is available to you. These are all some things that we can do right now to try and manage our finances with the increase in prices and salary not matching up. Make sure to share any additional tips with us in the comments. And as I stated, make sure to consult with a financial planner or advisor in your area. I am not a financial advisor, just sharing some information that I found that was helpful. And I found this information on nfcc.org. So make sure if you want to get more information, you can go to the website and check it out as well. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more updates. I will see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.